Hey YouTube, I'm about to do a quick video on how I frame my calligraphy. I just received this from my sensei in 2018 and I just picked this up from Home Goods. I know the size on this is 8 by 10. The most important part of framing is to find the right dimension for it. And I know this is an 8 by 10. Don't worry, I'll recut it. Recut the mat to fit my calligraphy. The main thing is that the frame itself can accommodate or fit your whatever it is that you're framing. And sometimes the frame, it's a multi-photograph frame, sometimes 8 by 10, a multiple 4 by 6 or 3 by 5, an assorted shot, maybe a 2 by 3, something like that. And I could pretty much fit anything in a frame, and I just recut the mat. Hang tight, I'll show you how we'll frame this and how to cut the mat. Here's my mat cutter. I unboxed the frame itself, so let me go ahead and take this thing out of the box. Okay, here you go. I measured, from what I gathered, I need 2.5 top, 2.5 bottom, and 3 inches right here. And this is the measurement where I get the cut. There you go. Let's dry fit this thing. I think that's perfect. Okay, I think that's good to go. Okay, glass all cleaned up internally. Here it is. Bam. How about that? That looks sharp. That is it. That looks good. And I would be going up there. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't forget to click subscribe. I do appreciate it. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. It's the one on the very top. The new one I just framed. So there you go. All set. Thanks for watching. There you go. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.